Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to update firmware on your Xiaomi Watch 5. To do that, all you have to do is grab your watch, open settings by swiping up the quick settings menu and tapping on the gear icon. Then here we're gonna have to go to connectivity, check Wi-Fi connections and make sure that our device is connected to the Wi-Fi network. After that, let's go back to main settings menu and scroll down to system. Here in system, the first option that you'll see is the system updates menu, and here you'll be able to check the updates for your device, and if your device has an update to install, then you will see the respective icon right here that you'll be able to tap and install the latest update on your device. After the device is updated, the watch will automatically restart and you'll be able to proceed using your device with the newest firmware version. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.